Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's India Moore. I know I've been gone for a while. This is a look when you want to be cute, but you don't want to do too much, but you want some color. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. It's one of my favorite go-to eyes. It's really quick and easy. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. It's like a natural eye, but a little smoke to it. And so, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about my hair, you can watch my previous tutorial on this cute pigtail style. Thanks for watching. I like to fade out my eyebrows in the front, so I can have that translucent effect. I'm gonna bring that concealer down. I'm putting the darker color that I used on the top part of my eyebrow on my actual lid. And y'all, please don't talk about my eyelids. They are crusty because I wear strip lashes so much. My skin is like peeling. And I really was thinking about doing the actual minks because I'm tired of my lashes. My eyelids peeling like this. Like every time I wear makeup, I wear lashes. I have to. My Maybelline 235. It Fit Me Matte Poreless to set my eyelids. I like this powder. And I also use the foundation by Maybelline too that goes with it. Fit Me foundation. I love that foundation. Multi-palette. I'm going to be using this light orange here and these two oranges here as my transition colors. Those are my favorite colors. As you can see, I use them up to death. Out of my whole palette, those are my favorite. So I'm going to start off with the transition colors, the darker oranges first. And y'all, you have to build this product up, so be patient when you're doing your makeup. Do not rush. Unless you're in a hurry, then you don't need to be doing eyeshadow that looks like this. You need to be doing maybe one color and some eyeliner, mascara, and boom, bada, bang. You're done. similar. They have a lot of I got that years ago. I think, honestly, y'all, I've been doing makeup since I was like in middle school. And I think I got that when I was in middle school, and I still have it. And it's still full. So, I'm going to place it on your eye. And I like this eye because it's not too much. It's just right. It's like a rose gold look. That's why I like it. And y'all, this eye was inspired by Tailor Made Jane. She's on Instagram and YouTube. And she actually used kind of like different colors when she did it. I think she used like purple and pink as her transition. And then she had a pigment that was close to this color. And I was like, ooh, I got something that looks like that. Let me try that. It's real cute. So, and blend out that pigment. Now I'm taking like a dark burgundy in my outer corner. And that's in the Morphe palette also. Looks like this. Now I'm gonna take my finishing spray, spray it on my hand some, dip my brush into the spray, and just wet that pigment some. Because these colors look so beautiful when you add a little water or something to them. They really pop and they set in well. I like to go over it with one liner and then go back over it with liquid eyeliner by MAC. It's called Boot Black. First I go over it with my NK makeup matte, and this one doesn't go real matte. That's why I go back over it with the MAC eyeliner. But the only thing I don't like about this liner, for some reason, it just clumps up really bad when it dries. So that's why I always go over it with this liner first. And I miss my NYX matte liner so bad, but everywhere I go, I have not been able to find it. The only place I've been able to get that NYX liner is Ulta. Like, anywhere else I go that sells NYX products, they never have it. So, yeah. How you doing? So, we're going to do a pretty cat eye. And that is it for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to put my lashes and foundation on off camera. If you want to see how I do my foundation, you can look at my other videos. But I really wanted to show you guys this easy eyeshadow look. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.